So we're at Taftswell Depot today. You can see behind me the tram trains. We're going to go on board. They're going through different stages of development, testing, and then just behind you can see the depot where they're going to be homed. And it's the progress that's gone on here over the last few years is astonishing. We're finally on board one of our Class 398. It's great to have a look around, and we're going to just check out some of the features they've got. There's a lot of space. They feel really wide. They feel a lot bigger than what we currently got. They've got the seats here, but there's a lot of space where people can stand as well. So, they'll provide a turn up and go service. This area of the tram train is for wheelchair users. As you can see, there's lots of space, and there's also a button where wheelchair users can press, and that'll allow assistants to come to help them on and off the train. Really modern screening, shows all the information, where the tram train will stop, where it's going to pick people up. Space allocated for bicycles. We're encouraging people to walk, cycle to your station, jump on with your bike, clip it on here, and go where you need to go. Each seat has a plug here and 2 sockets for USB, which is great for commuters on the go. We've got CCTV on board, and that's for the safety and security of our customers. One thing you'll notice on board, there's no toilet available, and that's because this is a light rail service. It's a turn up and go service, and you'll never be more than 20 minutes away from a toilet at the station. We're actually testing the tram train on the track. It's super quiet. They're better for the environment. They run on the electrification lines, but they've also got batteries. So where there's no lines in the valleys and the bridges, we can use the battery to push us through. So being here today, seeing the tram trains, going on them, getting to experience them, seeing the depot, I'm really excited that soon we'll get the tram trains on the CVL and they'll be running for the people of South Wales.